CT Sounds CT800.5D Review. The $220 amp that replaces everything. No, seriously. You ever feel like your car audio setup is sabotaging your vibe? Like, you drop serious cash on an upgrade, only to get muddy mids, a bass that barely thumps, and a mess of wires that look like spaghetti behind your seat. Your amp runs hot, your sub cuts out, and don't even get started on the hiss. You tweak settings till your fingers hurt, but it still sounds off. You've got 3 amps where one should do the job. It's frustrating, demotivating, and totally kills the buzz when you're just trying to enjoy your playlist on the road. Ain't nobody got time for that. Now the pressure's mounting, and your gear's gaslighting you. Crushing deadlines, long commutes, and traffic stress already weigh you down, and now your car audio is just another problem? You hit play expecting a dopamine boost, but all you get is distortion and overheating hardware that taps out before the beat even drops. Missed notes, glitchy transitions, and inconsistent sound? It's exhausting. You're burning cash on gear that overpromises and underdelivers. And the worst part? You know there has to be something better, but every option either breaks your budget or needs a PhD to install. Enter CT Sounds CT800.5D, the 1 amp to rule them all. This is your finally found it moment. The CT800.5D is a full-range Class D 5-channel beast that powers 4 speakers, and a sub with crystal clarity and serious thump. You're looking at up to 1000 watt RMS of clean, tight power in a unit smaller than your sneaker, just 11.4 inches by 5.6 inches by 2.2 inches. It's built with a MOSFET power supply, killer heat dissipation, variable LPF and HPF controls, and a plus 12 decibel bass boost that'll have your sub breathing fire. You get high voltage, low voltage, thermal, and speaker short protection, plus a remote bass knob and smart clipping indicator. It's like CT Sounds read every complaint on Reddit and just fixed it. 1 amp, 1 install, 0 regrets. What makes this amp legendary? Let the people tell it. This amp is way underrated, pushing 200 watt plus per channel easy. It's tiny but punches hard. Another user even ditched a Rockford Fosgate for this, and called it bulletproof. People are floored by how cool it runs, how clean it sounds, and how much punch it delivers for the price. It's a legit budget miracle. Whether you're building your first system or doing a stealth upgrade in a tight ride, the CT800.5D gives you pro-tier performance without blowing your budget. It's clean, crisp, hiss-free power, perfectly balanced across mids, highs, and that juicy subchannel. Minimal distortion, max output, stupidly easy to install. Trust the thousands who already made the swap. Limited stock. Big hype. You snooze, you bass less. At just $220, the CT800.5D is one of the most in-demand compact 5-channel amps on the market, and it's moving fast. Don't let decision paralysis kill your sound system. Skip the research rabbit hole and get the amp that's already winning over the audiophile crowd. Whether you're chasing clean mids, tighter lows, or just want to simplify your setup, this amp's a no-brainer. Buy now before it's back-ordered again. Join the movement, level up your audio, and let your music hit like it should. Stop settling. Start flexing. Your ride deserves this.